Hello everybody. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the 2022 NASCAR Next Gen Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 in the Rollout livery. So, I know a couple of the other guys, especially the big guys, have already had their kits for like 4 days. I just got mine today. I'm getting ready to just unbox it and I'm going to roll through it and build it. So hopefully I'll have a couple of videos within a couple days or two, and this will all be finished up. So let me get the plastic off the box and show you what's inside. I'll be right back. Alright, starting out, we've got the glass. I'm going to leave it in the package. I'm not going to take it out, but you can see it's got slots for the rear window, that little hole in the front on the front windshield, so pretty good there. This one, the body is molded in white, not like the Chase Elliott one where it's molded in Napa blue. Looks pretty good. Now we'll be taking still shots at the end of all this stuff. 4 tires. So they went kind of the Tamiya route on this, where everything's kind of molded in a different color. So you got a couple of black trees, looks like a couple of silver trees, and a couple of white ones. Or gray, I guess, technically. So there's the first black tree. It's got the wheels on it, inner fenders, looks like window net, oil pan. There's the bottom, the chassis pan, I guess you'd call it, and the seat looks like a couple other pieces there. There's 2 other pieces of black that have kind of fallen off the tree. I'll get to them in a little bit. There's the silver tree. It's got the engine pieces in it. There's a second silver tree. It's got rotors, some other pieces like that in it. Suspension pieces maybe. Transaxle, I think. Some roll cage parts. This is one of the white trees. There's 2 of them as well. And there's the last one there. Transmission tunnel, drive shaft tunnel, whatever you want to call it. More pieces of the roll cage. And those last 2 black parts. So there's that. And like I said, I'll take pictures of everything at the end. So also got the instructions. Just their normal, typical instructions here. I don't think I'm going to paint any of this. I think I'm just going to build it. Like I said, I'm behind already. Also got an instruction insert there. Don't really know what all that's about. I'll look at it later. Here is sheet 1 of decals. This is going to be the black sections of that, and the grill, and the headlights and all that good fun stuff there. Also got this decal sheet here. Just a couple more of the black stuff. The window trim is in there. Chevrolet, that's probably going to be across the windshield, I believe. I'm not sure. And then the actual decal sheet of the, so that's going to be a whole side, so should be pretty fun to do. Oh, and it's got another set of grill there. That's kind of neat. I didn't realize that. I think they're the same. Pretty close. So yeah, that's neat. So that is everything there. And like I said, I'll be trying to knock this out fairly quickly so I can get back on Alan Kowicki's car. So I appreciate everybody watching. I hope you have a good day.